See, the original lines are the text of the poem Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. What does the title of the poem suggest to you? पोएम की टाइटल तुम्हें क्या बताती है? आर यू रिमाइंडेड ऑफ अदर पोएम्स ऑन टाइगर्स? क्या तुम्हें टाइगर्स पे अदर पोएम की कुछ याद आ रही है या याद है? आंट जेनिफर्स टाइगर्स प्रेंस. प्रेंस मीन्स टू स्प्रिंग ऑन हाइंड लेग्स, यानी पीछे के पैरों पे कूदना. आंट जेनिफर्स टाइगर्स प्रेंस अक्रॉस अ स्क्रीन. हियर स्क्रीन मीन्स पैनल आर कर्टेन. मीन्स आंट जेनिफर्स के टाइगर पीछे के पैरों पे उस पर्दे पे या पैनल पे कूद रहे हैं. ब्राइट टोपाज. टोपाज इज ए जेम दैट इज ऑफ येलोइश ब्लू और येलो इन कलर. ब्राइट टोपाज डेनिजेंस. डेनिजेंस मीन्स इनहेबिटेंट, यानी रहने वाले. ऑफ ए वर्ल्ड ऑफ ग्रीन, यानी ग्रीन वर्ल्ड. वर्ल्ड दैट कंटेन्स or have the greenery. It means bright topaz denizens of a world of green. It means the tigers that live in the green forest that are as bright as topaz. See the color of the tigers. They are yellowish in color. That's why the poet has used the symbol of topaz to describe the color or the activity of the tigers. They do not fear the men beneath the tree. It means the tigers that are made on the screen or the panel of the curtain, they don't fear the men that are beneath the tree sitting. They pass in sleek chivalric certainty. They pace. Pace means gati या move. They move in glossy brave certainty. It means they are brave and glossy. Their motion is brave. Their motion that contains the bravery and certainty. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool. Fluttering means vibrating or moving. It means that Aunt Jennifer's fingers were vibrating although she was wearing the woolen clothes. It means the fingers are moving or vibrating due to cold or due to weakness. Find even the ivory needle hard to pull. It means her fingers are so weak that they are unable to catch or unable to bear the weight of the ivory needle, and she is unable to pull the ivory needles. The massive weight of uncle's wedding band. It means the solid weight of the uncle's wedding band. It means the massive weight of uncle's wedding band. The massive weight of uncle's wedding band. It means Aunt Jennifer had been provided a massive or solid band by her husband at the wedding time. Sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. Now at this time, Aunt Jennifer's hands have become so weak that it seems that they are unable to bear the heaviness of the wedding band provided by her husband. When aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie. Here in this stanza, the poet is saying that when Aunt Jennifer will die, her terrified hand, her weak hands will lie, and in the hands still ringed with ordeals she was mastered by. Ordeals means hard work. And after her death, in her terrified hands or in her weakened hands, the ringed are the spots of ordeal household deeds will remain forever. The tigers in the panel that she made will go on prancing But on the other hand, in this stanza, the poet is comparing Aunt Jennifer's married life that is constricted by the household responsibilities, and on the other hand, the tigers that are chivalric and elegant, and that are made on the panels of the curtain, will always go on prancing. It means will always spring on hind legs, and they will always remain proudy and unafraid, unlike that of Aunt Jennifer. Students, so in this poem, the the ordeals of work which a married woman has to do. Okay, there is a difference between the animals and Aunt's own character. The tiger which she has created are free, brave, and elegant. On the other hand, Aunt is living in the constrictions of marriage. She has to live in the four walls of the house and has to do household ordeals. Aunt gives the expression to her feelings through creating these animals. It means Aunt has made the figures of tigers on the panels to show that what is the difference between those animals and me.